Hello friends, my name is Mrigan Singh and you're watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a quick review about big ticket commission review. It will be scam, real or worth it if you buy this software. Everything I will told you in this video. Before that we have to proceed our video. Remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So today here I will give you a quick review. Here you can see that what you will be getting over here in this video. Table of the content will be showing here big ticket commission review. I will give you a quick introduction about what does it software will be work and how you will be getting benefits over here. To start an online business that makes you money require a proven method. You can't just be testing all around. You will need a product to sell yours or not. You will need to drive traffic to the product so you can get sales. Affiliate marketing makes this a little bit easy because you can get commissions per product sold with taking digital product here. Here you can see that commission, product and paid traffic. How this circle will be working over here, I will explain this video. I will put down the link in the description. You can go over there and you will be redirected to this page to understand how does this circle will be work. But with high ticket offers, the amount you can make is higher than just an average product. Some product costs as much as $2,500. Assuming that as an affiliate of this product you are offered 50% of this huge ticket product. Your share per sale for a copy sold will be 1,250. With 5 copies being sold you can make as much as $6,250. To get this kind of result, you must ensure that your traffic to the product is a buyer traffic of people who have recorded a buying products online. This is not as easy as it seems, but it's very much possible via several ways. Big ticket commission overview. Here I will give you a quick overview. Sorry for that. Big ticket commission is done for you. High ticket commission SaaS software as a service. Being a cloud based autopilot system, it helps you sell high ticket offers right on the go and is acclaimed to get your traffic to the offers while you make sales. Because it's done for you, your experience is not a barrier as you don't need tech skills or traffic generation skills. All you need is to able to follow instructions to the letter. This is the product in the MMO/IM make money online oblique internet marketing niche. As you should know that you need two major things to make money online: an offer to sell or promote buyers traffic. With any of these two elements missing, making money online is just a mere dream. Two people make money online from high ticket. Yes, can newbies make money as well? Yes, however you can honestly need to know nothing comes as easy as it is painted. The honest truth about big ticket commission is that while it's a one-stop solution for both high ticket offers and traffic, you will still need to ensure that you follow every instructions and trainings that might come with the product. Some of these trainings and support needed say layered into the OTO, one-time offer funneled into the product right after you buy the FE. Front end offer $17 sounds like a catch. No, it's just a way to say if you need more help to get the promised result, pay more. This product has 6 OTOs. Big ticket commission review. Here I will show you that vendor will be here. The product launcher vendor will be Glenn Koski, Rod Baswit, Lee Koski. Product will be big ticket commission. Launching will be 9 East 7 May 2020. Here is the home page link. I will give the link in the description where you can be redirected to this home page. Refund will be 30 days money back guarantee. If you will not satisfied about this software, then the money will be back directly in your account within a 30 days. Niche affiliate marketing for high ticket. For if you want to make money online doing an affiliate marketing and the product will be for high ticket, then this product will be definitely help for you. Big ticket commission features and benefits as promised. Here what commissions you will be getting over here. No need for content creation. You can just fully it automatically. No voice friendly software. It will be totally friendly software. High ticket offers and profit Other features and benefits you will be getting over here is that cloud-based point and click software, DFY premium product, DFY funnel included, premium hosting included, 100% free traffic training, step-by-step video training, huge collection of over 100 premium lead magnets, customizable pages. Call to action giveaway details appear on your money pages, customizable offers. Use this offer to promote any offer you like in additional to include premium product. This is one time offer that here you will be getting over here. If you buy this audio one, then it will be cost around $47 to $67. Then in audio 200% done for you is $97 to $67. Audio 3 will be $97 to $67. Audio 4 will be $30,000 per month, $67 to $47. Super affiliate $67 to $37. License right $197 to $97. How does the big ticket commission work? Get your affiliate link. How does the big ticket commission work? Get your affiliate link to an high ticket offer, insert into the affiliate field on your BTC account, monitor your sales, rinse and repeat. Again, this will not come as easy as it sounds. For one, you will need to ensure that you have a good high ticket offer, one that converts and delivers on every promise the product creator has made. No one wants to buy lies at huge prices. Here is the image of the three vendors who has developed this software. The man of pay attention is Glenn Kosky. Here you want to read this, then the link will be in the description. What my opinion says about this software, I will show you that the concept of big ticket commission is very simple. What is not simple here is how it has been packaged to give customers and users a seamless experience to deliver on the promise made. Worthy of note here is the critical need to follow all instructions in the product. You might need to be a tech pro to see it on the front end offer alone, but if you are a new buy, you might need to go in deeper into buying other time offers to the product funnel. Hence you might end up spending up $197. However, you implement the product guide, you can make that back in a second. What pros and cons will be getting over here about this software? If you buy this, then the pros will be no monthly fees will be including over here, no additional tools 24/7 operation, easy to operate, multiple done for you offers, 30-day money back guarantee, 100% free traffic training. Here you will be getting over here that 100% free traffic training will be getting that. What will be the cons if you buy this software? There new buys might need to get the wild audios to get maximum value. Even as a new buy, you need to understand how affiliate marketing works, not a $0 approach to launching out into an affiliate marketing. Conclusion, what conclusions you will be getting? I will wrap the review for the big ticket commission. I hope that this product will lend you a hand in scaling and developing your online business to profitable point, and actually I have completed, no doubt in this, provided that is paired with that many outstanding features. Well, the price will go up and soon. I want you to be early bird and earn with the big ticket commissions now. So here you will be getting over some of the bonuses. You can get opportunity receive extra bonuses if you finish in 2 steps below. You will be getting over some of the extra bonuses. Step 1, order big ticket commission by clicking here. I will give the link in the description of my below the YouTube video. You will click that link, and step 2, you will get all the my software bonuses below. And remember to hit my through to confirm that you have done this step. You will get my bonuses within 12 hours. Special bonuses you will be getting over here. So what bonuses you will be getting over here? LinkedIn auto post machine, and another bonus will be Facebook photo contest and video pop, FB viral box, SEO studio, and all different types of bonuses you will be getting over here if you buy this software through my link. I will give the link in the description. You can click over there, and you will be redirected to the sales page. So I hope you understand this video, and I really like this video. If you really like this video, please smash that like button, and I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy journey.